This video will look at how to create a new voucher in the system. So generally speaking, there's two ways that a voucher can be generated. The first is a voucher type can be attached to a product that a customer can purchase, and when they purchase that product and make payment, they then receive a voucher which is automatically generated from the order workflow. The second way that a voucher can be created, and this is what this video will cover, is to create a voucher from the back end. So firstly we go into merchant and then sales, and then from the voucher drop down we go to voucher list. So from here we can search on a number of different filters, but to create a new voucher we click create, and we have a few fields to populate here. So the first one, we select the customer that the voucher is going to apply to, and we click on the name of the customer. We then give the voucher some sort of meaningful name. We select the voucher type, and then we can enter the price here. So although when a customer purchases a product, the credit value of that voucher is defined by the voucher type, as an administrator creating the voucher, you can actually override the value of that. And then there's also an optional field here to set an expiry date on the voucher. So now if we hit search, we can see that there's one new voucher in here.